Hi everyone, today we are in the second day of Zero Mistake and we are going to study section 3 of chapter 1. Quiz 1. There is a graph and by using the graph we are going to answer the 4 questions. Question 1. What is the value of f of 2? To find the value of f of 2, the 2 on x-axis is going to be chosen, and from the 2 we should go through the graph. From the 2 we should go through the graph, but the point should be dark. You should rise till the dark point. When you arrive to the dark point, then the number that you see is going to be the value of function. Answer of question 1 is A. Question 2. By using the same graph, we are going to answer what is f of 1. The logic is the same. Choose 1, find 1 on x-axis. 1 will be found on x-axis. From the 1, go through the graph. The first point that you touch, which is filled, which is dark, is going to be the value of function. The value of f of 1 is equal to 1. Answer is B. By using the same graph, we are going to find for which value of x, f of x is equal to 0. F of x is equal to 0 is the case of y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is the x-intercept. Actually, the question is asking what is the x-intercept of the graph. If we turn back to the graph, do we find any common point of x-axis and the graph? We couldn't see. So we can say there is no x value. By using the same graph, we are also going to answer for which value of x, f of x is equal to y. In other word, for which value of y, for which value of x, y is equal to 1. Let's turn back to the question. If the value is given, find 1 on y-axis. Find 1 on y-axis, and from this point, go through the x. When you touch, go through y. So x is equal to 1, one of the value which is going to give you f of x is equal to 1. But let's go on. There will be other points. There is a region here, there is an interval here. So all these values are going to give us 1 as a f. So from the end points, use same notation. Since this point is closed, 4 is also closed, which is included. All other numbers between them till 6. Here the point is open, so 6 is also open. All these values of x, I mean the numbers between 4 and 6, 4 is closed, x is open, all these region are also going to give us 1 as a value of f. So if we look at the choices, for which value of x, y is equal to 1, you can see B, one end, the numbers between 4 and 6, 4 is closed, 6 is open. Question 5, function is given and we are going to find what is f of minus 2. This number, the number which is given inside of a parenthesis, should be replaced instead of x. So square of minus 2 plus 5. Square of minus 2 is 4 plus 5 is 9, the value of function. Answer is D. Question 6, function is given 1 over x and the question is find the f of root of 3. The logic is the same. Root of 3 is going to be replaced instead of x, so we are going to get 1 over root of 3. But we couldn't see any choice like this. The next operation is using the conjugate, rationalizing the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator by root of 3. So product of numbers in numerator is root of 3, The numbers in product is going to be 3. Answer is C. Question 7. Sometimes not only value of function, there can be an expression, and our question can be simplification. F of x is given x squared plus 5, and which of the following is f of x plus delta x? The logic is the same. X plus delta x, the expression inside of parentheses will be replaced instead of x. So what is going to be happen? X plus delta x to the power of 2 plus 5. I should expand these parentheses. I should find this power of the given expression. And it is better to remember one of the identity, finding the square of a plus b, square of first plus twice of ab plus b square. If I apply the same logic, square of first term x to the power of 2 plus twice of first times second 2x delta x plus square of second delta x to the power of 2 plus 5. So they are all different than each other. There is nothing to combine. So I am looking for the choice x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 5 is answer